Hey everyone! If you want to enable shader pre-caching on Steam, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to enable it in just a few steps. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us grow. Now let's get started. Open Steam. Click Steam in the top left corner. Then select Settings. From the left menu, click Downloads. Scroll down. Find Shader Pre-Caching. Turn on Enable Shader Pre-Caching. This allows Steam to download shader files in advance, which can reduce stuttering and improve game performance. If you see Allow Background Processing of Vulkan shaders, turn it on as well. This lets Steam process Vulkan shaders in the background, instead of waiting until you launch a game, which can reduce loading times and help games run more smoothly. After enabling these options, close the settings window. Restart Steam. Your changes will now be applied. Steam may begin downloading shader cache files for supported games. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you're still having any problems, leave a comment below. We'll do our best to help you. Thanks for watching.